بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
We have done it many times, mashallah. In this lesson, we're going to revision of Sami'a, Wahaba, Wa'ada. Style verbs. Sami'a and Wahaba, Wa'ada. We have done it many times also, alhamdulillah. So let's go without any delay to the lesson. This is Sami'a pattern and this style. So Sami'a, Yasma'u, Isma', Sami', Masmu', Sam'. Yeah, and we have the word Sami'allahu liman hamida. We have a sentence.
Yes,
Sami'allahu liman hamida. Alima, Ya'lamu, I'lam. Alim, Ma'lum, Ilm. So, inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. Inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. Next is amila, ya'malu, i'mal, amil, ma'mul, amal. وعملوا الصالحات. حمد يحمد احمد حامد محمود حمد خسر يخسر اخسر خاسر خسر. Then shahida yashhadu ishhad shahid mashhud shahada. Shahida yashhadu ishhad shahid mashhud shahada. Ahida ya'hadu i'had ahid ma'hud ahad. Okay, wow. Translate ya'maluna. You can select more than one. Ya'maluna. The word ya'maluna.
They know.
Okay, they know. Good, mashallah.
They will know. They do.
They will know. They will do. Hey, mashallah. That's good. They did, they do, and they will do. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Translate وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ.
وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Oh, that is good deed.
Yes.
They do good deed. وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. And they did it good deed. That's it, eh? وآمنوا وعملوا الصالحات, and they did it good deed. Maybe the line.
So, okay, this is A, B, C, D. Which one? A?
Yeah, and they did good deed. What are good people?
Okay, and they did good deed, mashallah. That's good. Translate into Arabic. Into Arabic. You all testify.
Translate into Arabic. You all testified. Oh, tasahaduna.
Good, mashallah.
Tasahaduna.
Tashaduna. Very good. Okay, let's move ahead. Wahaba. These are the weak verbs. Weak verbs, you know. Weak verbs.
Wahaba.
Wahaba, yahabu.
Yahabu.
Yeah, sometime it disappears and sometime changes into sometime they change each other. Hab,
Hab.
wahib,
Wahib.
mahub,
Mahub.
wahab,
Wahab.
waqa'a,
Waqa'a.
yaqa'u,
Yaqa'u.
qa',
Qa'.
waqi',
Waqi'.
mawqu',
Naqu'.
wuqu'.
Wuqu'.
Okay, translate wahab lana, wahab lana.
Wahab lana. Wahab lana. Oh, okay. And give us.
Mashallah, and give us. Yes, wahab lana. In the Quran, we have approx 55 verbs that occur 650 times, mashallah. We have done now wa'ada,
Wa'ada.
ya'idu,
Yahidu.
id.
It.
These are weak letters and the pattern is daraba yadribu. Wa'id,
Wa'id.
ma'ud,
Ma'ud.
wa'ad.
Wa'ad.
Wajada,
Wajada.
yajidu,
Yajidu.
jid,
Jid.
wajid,
Wajid.
mawjud,
Mawjud.
wujud,
Wujud.
wasala,
Wasala.
yasilu,
Yasilu.
sil,
Sil.
wasil,
Wasil.
mawsul,
Mawsul.
wusul,
Wusul.
walada,
Walada.
yalidu,
Yalidu.
lid,
Lid.
walid,
Walid.
maulud,
Maulud.
wilada.
Wilada.
Okay, waqa, yaqi,
Waqa. Yaqi.
qi,
Qi.
waqin,
Waqin.
mawqiyin,
Mawqin.
wiqaya.
Wiqaya.
Okay, three noun keys of wajada are noun. Everyone should be noun.
Now, wajada. Wajida. Wajada. Mawjuda. Wajada. Mawjuda. Wajuda. Wajuda. Mawjuda. Wajuda.
Now let me know A, B, C, D.
It be.
Hey, mashallah. It's B. Majid, Mawjud, Wujud. Yes. Okay, three verbs keys of wasala. Everyone should be verb. Three verb keys of wasala are
Wasala is wasala yasilu silu.
Okay. We should log in. I mean, this is the final.
Oh, this is final?
This is the final. Okay, wajadtum. Translation of wajadtum.
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 Wajadtum. Or tum. Okay. You all find.
See the action. This is not this one. This one.
Oh, this one?
The low level, not the above level.
Mm.
So it should be Madi.
You all would find. You
We all found.
Yeah, you all find. You all find.
Alhamdulillah, we have done. MashaAllah, you have practiced 7 verbs that occur 350 times. In the Quran, we have approached 55 verbs that occur 650 times. And all of them on just wa'ada, wahaba style. So make sure to learn this style thoroughly and don't miss the homework. Inshallah, spoken Arabic. So hal shahidta? Fast.
Naam.
Hal shahidta? Naam shahidtu.
Naam
Hal shahidtum?
Naam Sayyidina.
Naam shahidna. Hal tashhadu?
Naam As-Sahadu.
Naam ashhadu. Hal tashhaduna?
Naam Nas-Sahadu.
نعم نشهد اوكي هل سمعتم القرآن هل سمعتم القرآن
Naam Sami'ana Al-Quran.
ما شاء الله نعم سمعنا القرآن هل أنتم حامدون هل أنتم حامدون
Naam Nahnu Hamidun.
إيه ما شاء الله okay so now هل وعدت
Naam Wa'adta.
هل وعدت
Naam Wa'adna.
okay هل وعدتم نعم وعدنا هل تعد
Naam Ahidu.
هل تعدون
Naam Nahidu.
عد
Ahidu.
عدوا
Nahidu.
إيه هل يعد الله المؤمنين
Naam Wa'adhullah.
This is يعد هل يعد الله المؤمنين so the answer will be
Naam Yahidullahu al-Mu'minin.
now you got it yes هل وجدت
Naam Wajadta.
هل وجدتم
Naam Wajadna.
هل تجد
Naam Ajidu.
هل تجدون
Naam Najidu.
جد
Ajid.
جدوا
Najid.
إن شاء الله هل وصلت
Naam Wasaltu.
هل وصلتم
Naam Wasalna.
هل تصلون
Naam Aslu.
no you did not
Huh?
hear the question properly
Naam
هل تصلون I asked you the second one.
Naam Nasilu.
Oh, alhamdulillah, we have done it. Revision of Wa'ada and Samia style verbs, mashallah. These are the all. Alhamdulillah.
Nasilu. What is Nasilu?
May Allah help us recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rabb. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. آمين يا رب.
Nasaltu. Hal nasaltu.
هل وصلت
Naam wasalna. What is
هل
this?
that is هل وصلتم
Naam.
هل وصلتم نعم وصلنا
Naam wasalna.
that's it
Is prayer? That is pray.
no wasala means did you reach
Oh, you reach.
yes
Okay.
that is صليت هل صليت نعم صليت
Naam salaitu.
yeah
Naam salena.
yeah okay so let's finish it Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh
Alhamdulillah.